Great day everyone! I'm here in SMDC showroom located in SM Santa Rosa. So ito yung model unit ng SMDC Park Residences here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So we're checking first the 28.52 upgraded unit ng SMDC Park. So, ito ay model unit na, kaya siya furnished. Just to give you an idea kung paano siya aayusin. Kapag tinurn over to, wala pong mga partition. So, completed type lang, may mga tiles. Pero para siyang studio unit kapag tinurn over. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, kasya yung dalawang bedroom. So, this is the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. So, let's check yung usual cut dito. Actually, ito naman is 24.41. Sa SMDC Park, meron ding mga gantong cut. So, here in Santa Rosa, we have two condominium project under SMDC. One is the SMDC Park nga, yung sa Santa Rosa. Then, the other one is the Calm Residences. Actually, meron pang isa pero located siya ng Binyan. Malapit lang nandito sa SM, which is the SMDC Turf Residences naman. So, yan. Almost pare-pareho naman din kasi yung turnover ng mga unit ni SMDC. So, ikaw na yung bahalang mag-ayos. So, for this one, kung mapapansin nyo, ginawa niyang one bedroom. Pero ito hindi niya na nilagyan ng masyadong partition. Open lang. Yan, just to show you na kasya talaga yung ganyang kalalaking kama. I think this is a queen size bed. So, kasya pa yung cabinet sa gilid. So, that's it. If you need a sample computation ng SMDC Park Residences, Calm Residences, both located in Santa Rosa, at yung SMDC Turf Residences in Binyan, Laguna, just message me.